Look who's back! If you want to automate any third-party plugin, any knob, in FL Studio, here's the tutorial. All right, open up FL, find the thing that you want to automate, pick a plugin that you want to automate. For me, it was Pancake on my vocals for this track, which I might drop, we'll see. If I want to adjust the mix knob, all I got to do is just adjust it once, anywhere to any value, it doesn't matter. If there's going to be a specific value, for example, like 52%, and then the remaining values at the beginning and end are 0, I usually like to set it at the value that I actually need so that when it puts the automation clip, the point is already there. Then we can go ahead and select a section, and then up here under Tools, Last Tweaked, you can do create automation clip, and it'll actually label right here what it was, Vox Mix. Why you can't just right click on the plugin and choose create automation clip doesn't make sense to me, but yeah, I didn't know this for a long ass time. Create the automation clip and boom, it's in there. Then we just go ahead and mess with it like you would any other automation clip. You can see right here as we go along with the playhead, watch the mix knob, boom, 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 look at that. Fucking gas. I'm doing some stuff under Retro Club now. Most of y'all don't even know that, probably don't even care. I don't really upload to streaming services on that, just SoundCloud. It's really only for me. If you want to buy the music, feel free to hit me up, but that's it.
Tofino for the week. Damn, I hate the heat, but who's to blame for it but me? Damn, I love to speak. I'm spitting nasty shit, I reek. Say my name 3 times and light it up. We might just meet. How am I gonna lose? There ain't no